And welcome back to another Metos tutorial. Today we'll be discussing how to change logging intervals and changing a station name in today's video. So first we're going to go to station settings. From here we can see the station's name and we can edit it from here. Click update, and as you can see the station is now named. Scrolling down we'll find logging settings. This is not ideal, so what we do, change it to 15 minutes. Ideally, whatever time you change it to, this must be the same as this. These two numbers must be the same. Click select all. This will allow every hour of the day for the station to log. Leave rain monitoring disabled. It is extremely important to leave it disabled, or else it can inhibit the station from working to its capable abilities. Click Save Configuration, and the job is done.